Okay, I actually wanted to make a quick video for you guys who own a 2002 through 2003 R1. So this is the Healtech QuickShifter kit. There's no directions online, really. There's only one for like the 07 R1. So this is gonna be the 5PW motor. I just wanted to make something of a direction video for those who cannot find directions online, because I had to do this myself without any directions, and figured this would help a lot of people out. So it comes with 4 ignition coils, like connectors. So cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. You know, all you have to do is take your air box out. I'm not going to explain that. You can do that yourself. Take your air box out, lift the tank, blah, blah, blah. So once you get down to the coils, I already have everything connected, just because I've been working at this for a while. But the kit is like the QSH-P4A for the wiring harness here. So really what you're looking for is this wire right here, the red and the white wire, and those are going to connect to cylinder 1, which is all the way up in that corner right there. And that's where power comes into to the ignition coil. So it's just going to look like this pretty much. You just plug the piggyback into the 2. It's pretty self-explanatory how they fit in. One won't fit into the other, so just plug them in, but make sure that the ones with the marked red square and the red and white, make sure that they go into cylinder 1. I found this on a MV Augusta forum, actually. It's the only notion of why there were red squares on my plugs, but figured that one out after a little while of searching, so I'm gonna make a video about it just so people don't have to search. But once you got all those connected, there's also no picture of where you connect ground. So this is where ground's gonna follow back. I'm gonna start moving the camera here. So you're gonna follow this wire back past your throttle bodies, and you're gonna go right down into there, which is, you can follow it down right under the tank. And I had to take this off just so I can get my hand in there. And that is your ground right there. Something on the harness is already connected to it, obviously, so I knew it was the ground for the bike. And that little wire right there is the ground for the QuickShifter kit. Is this one right here, follows all the way down, goes right there. Just unscrew it. It's a 10mm bolt. I just used a 1/4 inch extension just to get to it, moved a couple things out of the way, and now this connects to this, mounts it up in there, close it up, and you're good. So I hope that helped anyone who's looking to figure out how to do this.